We'll begin tonight's program with some good news about COVID-19 vaccines because this morning the first batch of Pfizer-BioNTech vaccines arrived in Thailand. The first batch of the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine donated by the U.S. government arrived in Thailand this morning, according to the U.S. Embassy in Bangkok. According to U.S. Senator Tammy Duckworth, the 1.5 million doses of the 2.5 million pledged by the U.S. is the first delivery of any mRNA vaccines to Thailand, as the country has only imported Sinovac and Sinopharm, which are whole virus vaccines, and AstraZeneca, which is a vector vaccine. The majority of the AstraZeneca vaccines are being locally produced by Siam Bioscience. The donation is part of President Biden's promise to help our friends, partners, and allies fighting this global pandemic. The U.S. Embassy's Facebook post also states that the donation will help Thailand accelerate the country's vaccination campaign, protect the health of all residents of Thailand, and begin the process of economic recovery. The arrival of these vaccines is another testament to our unbreakable friendship, which will get through this together. Meanwhile, the Director General of the Disease Control Department, Dr. Opat Karngawinpong, said that the Pfizer vaccines will be stored at minus 70 degrees Celsius. Once it has been distributed to vaccination sites, the vaccines will be stored at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, at which they can be stored only for 4 weeks. The allocation of 1.5 million doses of Pfizer, which is expected to begin on August 9th and finish by the end of next month, is as follows. So within the 1.5 million doses, 700,000 doses are for medical personnel handling COVID-19 patients. 645,000 doses are for high-risk groups, such as people aged 60 and above, those with any of the 7 underlying diseases, and pregnant women living in provinces with severe outbreaks. At the same time, 150,000 doses are for expats, particularly those aged 60 and over, and those with any of the underlying diseases, and those who will be studying abroad. 5,000 doses are reserved for further research, while another 40,000 doses are reserved as a backup. The Thai government has also ordered 20 million doses of Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine for the public, with deliveries expected in the fourth quarter of this year.